Welcome to this video on ELRF Best Schedule P 2015. In this video we demonstrate the functionality and navigation of the main application window, that is, the database view. Here are some key takeaways from this video. Finding any company's data is easily accomplished via the tree or query views. Companies can be sorted based on critical financial metrics such as total earned premium, reserves held, survival ratios, loss ratios, or many others. Users can create and apply their own classification variables. And all this information is available offline. Let's now open the application. By default, the database is opened and we're looking at the tree view. The tree view allows us to drill down into the database using the categories provided. So for instance, click on the plus next to line of business. The list of values associated with this category expands, and then we can select from this list according to the category that we are interested in. For instance, C Commercial Auto. If we right-click on the entry, then another dialog appears and we can select another category. For instance, aggregation. We then have the list of values that are associated with aggregation underneath the C Commercial Auto. If we select, for example, A and B group, we're now selecting the A and B group companies that write C Commercial Auto. Similarly, if we right-click and select, say, loss ratio, and we select 75 to 80, then we're drilling down into the database until we've got the 18 triangle groups that comprise this query with C Commercial Auto, A and B group, and loss ratios between 75 and 80. The other view into the database is the query view. So if we click on this tab now, this query view allows more complex queries than tree view. In that, if we click on the plus now next to line of business, a dialog is opened and you can actually select the values that you want to do the query on. And multi-selection is possible here. For instance, I can select reinsurance A, B, and C using the control key each time I click to add the entries to the query. I press OK. I now get the query updated where I have the companies that write reinsurance A, B, or C listed on the right. Query view also allows you to search by name. So for instance, if you double click on any variable, in this case GG name, you can start typing. Let's do star fire for instance, and now we are obtaining the companies with fire in their name. The star acts as a wildcard that also write line of business, reinsurance A, B, or C. Any query you can use to then sort any column by clicking on the column title. So for instance, to sort the results from this query by reserves held, I simply click on the title reserves held. I click again, and it's sorted in descending order or ascending order, respectively. This concludes the first training video on databases and ELRF Best Schedule P. In the next video, we will take a look inside triangle groups and introduce the objects that are pertinent to analysis. Thank you.